everyone, I'm Lorie from Dee's, and today we are going to create an adorable Santa swag. So everything that you need, of course, like always, is going to be available in the kit. Together, we are going to see how he turns out because I don't have one ready yet, so we're going to do it together. So you're going to receive his cute little face, his little legs, his cute little gloves and hands, these adorable holly picks that are nice and glittery. You're going to get 2 of those. You're going to get these ho, ho, ho words. Or if you turn it this way, it's O, 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 which some days are just like that. And 3 different ribbons. And of course, your greenery piece. So to get started, like always on our swags, we just want to take our greenery tie and attach this around to make a loop so that we do have a hanger, so he'll hang nicely on our door or wall, wherever we would like to hang him. So we're just going to catch that up there on this wreath board. Don't forget, these wreath boards are great if you're going to do a lot of floral making, and we do have those available on our site at shopdeeslouisville.com. We have sold so many. We have this wonderful maker who creates these boards for us, and I just can't live without mine now. So we're going to fluff up our greenery and bring it to life just like always. And then we are going to start out. So, of course, our parts and pieces are all going to have wires to attach them with. So you can place his face anywhere that you like. I think I'm going to go about right in here. And I'm just going to take the wire that is on that and you twist it around the swag to hold it in place. I'm going to take his little hat and bend it right out so we can see his cute little fuzzy ball on his hat. And then we are going to take this little wire from his face and attach him into these greenery ties to hold him stable on there. And we're going to catch the one that's on this side. And you'll just catch it and twist it right around your greenery. And that will keep him nice and stable. And he's got that beautiful soft beard. So next we are going to, let's take some of our ivy stems. I'm going to trim off the tags on this. And we're going to fluff this up. Just kind of open this up. We have these beautiful styrofoam glittery balls for berries. It's just so pretty. So I think what we'll do is we'll go in and maybe add this in here to add a little color down there. So I'm just going to dip it in a little bit of glue, or you can use your twist ties to attach it. I'm going to do both. We're just going to twist that right in there to hold that in place. We're going to take our other holly stem and we are going to put that other holly stem up towards the top. So again, I'm just going to tuck it right in here and take our greenery and attach that right in there nice and tight. And that just adds a lot of brightness to our swag. Makes it really fun and festive. So we're going to take Santa's legs. Cute little legs. And they're going to have the little wire on the ends of them. And we're going to go in and just attach these legs. Now you can put these anywhere you want. I'm going to put them about along there. And then again, you're just going to twist the wire. And they also have a wire in the leg, so you can bend his little legs. Take this one. We're going to attach this one again on this side, right to this greenery. Twist it to hold it tight, and then bend that around. And again, you can kind of shape his little leg. Next, we have his sweet little hands, so we can put his little hands on. It's crazy because when I do hands, I always have to hold my hands out so I can see which way my thumbs go. but we're going to attach this right in here. And last but not least, his other little hand. And he is just coming to life so well. All right, let's take this one and attach it to this piece of greenery. Okay, so we have his little body all attached. So next we're going to go through and take our ribbons. We have 3 really cute ribbons that we can use. We have the Santa belt ribbon. So I'm going to start out with that one, and I'm going to create just a small bow to go at the top so we can fill in up here a little bit. And then we're going to add a little bit of this present. And last but not least, I'm going to add this really bright metallic green. And that's really going to pop and bring those colors out. So we're going to take our wire, wrap it around, pull it nice and tight. And then we're going to add this bow right up here to the top. Wherever you'd like, you can put it in the center, you can put it offset. Just going to put that right up there, and we're going to twist it around the back of the swag here. Make that nice and tight, and I'm going to hook that back up. And then we're going to trim our ribbons for our tails. Okay, you can kind of spread your loops out and move your tails around just to add a little fun when those tails curl up. So we're going to trim these, put the nice little cuts in the end, and that really finishes off your projects really nicely. Okay, so we've got the top done. So next we're going to go down here into the middle, and we're going to make a cute little bow there. I think this time we'll just do a little bit smaller. Going to add, we'll go ahead and make 2 loops with this. Going to add this in. I'm going to make 1 loop and leave the tail hanging for this. And then we're going to add in our green. And again, I'm just going to do 1 loop on that. And then we'll have some remaining ribbon to use as our tails. So I'm going to wrap my wire around. And again, we're just going to go in somewhere around here. And it kind of makes up Santa's big belly. Spread those loops out. And again, you want to trim the tails that you have up here. I got one hiding right there. And then you can just take the remainder of your ribbon and just catch it in your greenery. Anywhere that you want, you can wire it to your greenery, or you can just catch it. And what I do is just wrap that little greenery piece around there. And we're going to trim this, cut that pretty tail. Then we can come over here with our green and kind of catch that. And then we have our present ribbon, and we're just going to let that kind of trail off. Make that a pretty cut. Okay, and then last but not least, we have our cute little ho, ho, ho sign. And I am going to separate these. You'll have 3 of them on the stem, and you can place them anywhere that you want. So I'm going to put a little glue, and I think we're going to go up here and tuck that in up the top by our bow. And we'll take our next one, and we're going to go over here and tuck that in. And then you can take your greenery and kind of wrap it around to kind of keep it tight in place. And last but not least, we're going to take our last one, and we'll put that right down here. And there you have it. Ho, ho, ho. And our adorable Santa swag. So this is available at shopdeeslouisville.com. Stay tuned for more great ideas. Thanks for joining me.